Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where I have been uploading different type of video about the care of different kind of flowers including succulents, etc. And today with the first view of the freshly made, greenhouse, newly made newly made flower house, we show you the succulents. So this is the newly made new one. Its half part is still incomplete. We have to make the half part by construction of half part is still incomplete. We have to remove all those. You can see the old greenhouse and we'll make a new one. So in our today's video we will try to understand about the care of the geranium flowers, especially the mother plant. When you buy it from someone else and you get it, the first thing you need to understand is that you will not get the geraniums in a fresh condition. So this is the condition of the geranium which you will get, and trust me, this is a lot better because I got this geranium last week and have planted this for a week now. It has started showing some green leaves, but what I made a terrible mistake is that I left all this bud which was fresh at that moment, not so fresh but still I was very selfish or curious to see them flowering, so I kept this bud. But this is very harmful for the plants. Why? Because at this moment, since when they arrive at your house, they will be in transit and they are very stressful plant. They take stress very easily. So geraniums, they take stress very easily, and as a result, with all of this bud, what happens is that when we even plant them, they instead of removing those stress, they put their energy to make this flower bloom, to make this bud blooms. And after, what happens is that due to not enough energy within the plant body, not the bud will be able to bloom, nor the plant will uh, I mean will come out of stress very easily. So today, first of all, what we have to do is that we will be removing all of this old leaves which are already dead, and this all of this bud, so that all the energy their all energy will be transported to the growth of the plants. Some, though there are some beautiful shade, and believe me, these are not its true color, because when the plant are in stress free condition, the color will be हजुर the color will be much better and lovely. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's try to remove all this bud, and also we'll show you some of the um, digging plants and what to do with those plants. So here I go. I have a cutter, and what we will do today is that we will try to remove all the bud, even if it is flowering, so that the plant may get plant utilize all its nutrient to come out of the stress and make new branches. So let's go. Remove as much uh, all the dried leaves, yellow leaves, and leave only green leaves. Even if there is no green leaves, there's nothing to worry, because the temperature right now will surely uh, kick off the new beginning. So here we go. So here you can see this plant is dead. So you can see out there that this plant is dead. And if you leave this dead plant to, I mean, just go on with it, what happens is that this plant will the disease or whatever the reason is due to which this plant is decaying, it will transmit to the other healthy plants also. So it's very important that you cut off these plants and you spray the fungicide. So here I go. In our next video we will also see the progress of the plant within a week. After you cut all of these branches, it's very essential that you spray fungicide so that none of the cocopeat. It's very essential that after finishing cutting off these leaves and decaying branches, you spray fungicide so that there will be no fungal infection in the plants. So this is how you got remaining no flower bud and no old leaves. We will see the progress after a week. And one thing I forgot to state that once you receive the plants of geranium from anyone, it's not necessary that you receive from us or anyone or particular person. If you receive geranium plants or any other plants, it is very essential that since they will be traveling through transit for 4 or 5 days without much exposed to light and which without much exposed to their normal habitat, they will go through the closed box for 4 days or more than that. So due to which, because of the darkness inside the cartoon, they may develop a fungal infection in their roots. So it is very essential that you treat you do the root treatment. And for root treatment, I personally suggest to use M45, that is fungicide M45, and 98% humic acid, and to drench them in the root after plantation. After you plant them, put some water, and the next day you do the root treatment by mixing up 2 gram of M45 and 2 milliliter of humic acid, 98% humic acid, in 1 liter of water. Mix them well and drains the roots. Okay, what will they do is that M45 will help to remove the fungal infection or treat the fungal infection, as well as the humic acid, 98% humic acid, will develop initiate humic acid or humus formation in the roots, humus formation around the roots, which will initiate the growth as well as growth of roots, and the growth of root will technically help you to make your plants more healthy. So I don't want to cut this one. It's blooming beautifully, though it's not a pure color, but I have to, as already told you, this will take all the energy of the plant. So I don't mind chopping off few bud in order to get more bud and more handsome plant, much better. Yep. Let me remove this one also. I have to remove this also actually, but I need some green leaf in order to photosynthesis for those plants. So I'm not cutting all of this. So I'm gonna cut this one and also this one. It's much better. Hopefully by next week when I come back to my home nursery, it will be ready. This one is also very wonderful, but I need to chop it out. Yes, shopping is not easy. Shopping is not easy at all, but you have to, because the health of the mother is very important rather than the blooms. The health of yes, yes, the health of mother is very important rather than blooms. So I'm chopping all the boards, almost all the board. This is how they look like now. The half, but other half is still there to be done. So I hope you like the video and you got a little information about the plants. So next time I will re-upload the video with the progress in a week. Thank you so much for showing interest and watching the full video. Uh, if you like the video, please share, please like, comment, and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you again next week.